This is a review of the VIPEK clothing rack that's a heavy duty, and it could hold up to a capacity up to 500 pounds. It's in a gloss black finish that I'm going to be doing a review about. And without going further, let's go talk about some of the important features about this clothing rack. So this is a heavy duty clothing rack that's designed for clothes that pretty much if you have extra clothes or jackets or puffer jackets or anything that you have extra, you could use this to put it there. And it's a heavy duty version. You can see on top I have the hats on top right here, so I put the hats on there. You can pretty much put anything on the bottom as well too. You can put your like you can see right here, I put my shoes right there, 3 shoes. I plan on putting some other stuff right on there on the second aisle. Then they also has a third aisle, and then right from here you can see I have my jackets all there. The rod itself is very high quality as well too. You can see it's a stainless steel quality. It looks really absolutely amazing. And the quality, I do want to mention that the quality of this is really very durable. Like I was, mindful that it might probably fall down by holding too much, weights, like put too much clothes. Sometimes you have clothing racks that, unfortunately it falls down, but this one is not the case. And I'm very happy with this product because of the fact that it's holding it, the jackets I normally use or often or I don't really wear. You could pretty much hold, like I mentioned, 500 pounds is a lot of capacity to hold a lot of stuff, and this is probably one of the best clothing racks I ever got, and I'm very amazed with it. You could pretty much put your hats on top, you could put your shoes on the bottom, your rack. You have 2 tiers to put pretty much anything. You could put more clothes there, you could put shoes, pretty much anything, any utility storages, a lot of stuff. Then on top you also have that as well too. And then right here, like I mentioned, the rod itself is very durable. It doesn't move anywhere once it's done. The installation, I do want to mention that is very easy and it's not too difficult at all too. It comes with instructions. It's very detailed, and is you're not going to get stuck when you install this. It's very easy to install, very user friendly. I would definitely recommend this VIPEK clothing rack if you're wanting to pretty much store a lot of clothes, or you have like pretty much don't have space in your closet and you're looking for a place to pretty much put all of your clothes into a clothing rack. Then this is probably one of the best clothing racks you could get, and I'm very extremely happy with this product, and I would definitely recommend this to everyone that is looking for a clothing rack that it holds a lot of weight. Like I mentioned, 500 pounds is a lot. Then this is definitely one of the best clothing racks that you could get, and I'm definitely would recommend this.